Nutritivo. In this video, we will talk about the do's and don'ts, the process and parts of a miter saw. Before we start, don't forget our personal protective equipment or PPE, which are long sleeve, apron, gloves, eye protection, earplug, and face mask. Parts of a miter saw: handle, on and off switch, safety trigger, blade guard, blade, fence, movable base, gradient base, angle base, dust collecting bag.
Mark your cut line on the wood. Put the wood into the miter saw. Lower the blade and check if the alignment are correct. Adjust the wood if needed. Then, check again the alignment. Clamp your wood to keep it steady. Then, check again the alignment to secure the wood to prevent accident and uneven cuts. After securing, check again the alignment. Then, plug it into the socket. Start the saw and let the blade reach full speed. Lower the blade smoothly through the wood. Don't forget to raise the blade back up before releasing the trigger. And that's the final result in using miter saw.
And that's all for today's video. We hope that you will learn something new about operating a miter saw. Don't forget to like,